Have you ever wondered why some watercolour mixes result in muted colours and why other mixes are bright? And how do you get the colour you want without it being hit and miss? Hi, I'm Julia Trickey, an experienced botanical artist and tutor, and in this short video I want to help you understand how to mix almost any colour you want. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a colour mixing kit that I put together for my workshops, which is designed to help you understand how colours are created and why some mixes are bright and some give you more muted colours. Let's start with these 3 acetate strips. They're each graded from a strong concentration of colour at one end, fading to the palest version of the same colour at the other. The colours of these acetate strips are magenta, cyan and yellow. You may be familiar with these colours if you've ever changed the inks in your home printer. Now, in my opinion, these represent the 3 primary colours more accurately than the traditional red, yellow and blue. Overlaying the magenta and yellow give you reds and oranges. Overlaying the yellow and cyan result in bright greens. Overlaying the magenta and cyan will give you blues and purples. By using the spy hole and sliding them up and down, you can isolate the colour you've created. If you use 2 of the strips, you will get bright secondary colours, as seen here. By overlaying the strips and sliding them up and down, you can simulate the effect of adding more or less of a particular hue. So let's see what happens if you add the 3rd colour. So for example, I've made this bright green, but most greens in nature are not this bright. And since I only have these 3 colours to work with, let's see what happens when I add a touch of the magenta. You will see that the result is a much more muted and natural green. So 2 colours give a bright mix, and adding the 3rd mutes the colour down. See what other combinations I can make. Also in this kit you will find Winsor & Newton watercolour samples that reflect these 3 colours: Quinacridone magenta, Winsor blue green shade and Winsor yellow. Here is a colour wheel painted with these 3 colours, and you will see that mixes of any 2 of these result in bright greens, blues, purples, oranges and reds. Taking any of these mixes and adding just a small amount of the 3rd colour will mute down these bright colours. Here you will see what happens to the bright greens when a small amount of magenta is added. The leaflet in the kit will give you further information regarding colour mixing, plus some exercises for you to try using the acetate strips and the paint samples. I hope you found this overview interesting. I'm currently working on a book about colour which will also contain this information, but in the meantime you can order the kit from my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching.